Hi. Welcome back to Master English. Today, we're going to cover short U sounds from our International Phonetic Alphabet, Book 1, IPA Singletone Sounds. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and repeat after me. Cup, sun, fun, fun, bus, luck, duck, mud, cut, up. Now, let's do some sentences. The first word is cup. Number 1. She poured coffee into her favorite cup. Number 2. The cup fell off the table and shattered. Number 3. He drinks a cup of tea every morning. The next word is sun. Number 1. The sun is shining brightly today. Number 2. She enjoys sitting in the sun at the beach. Number 3. The sun sets early in winter. The next word is run. Number 1. He likes to run in the park every morning. Number 2. The dog started to run after the squirrel. Number 3. She decided to run a marathon next year. The next word is fun. Number 1. They had fun at the amusement park. Number 2. It's always fun to play games with friends. Number 3. She believes learning should be fun. The next word is bus. Number 1. She took the bus to work this morning. Number 2. The bus was late due to traffic. Number 3. He missed the bus and had to walk home. Great work! Let's review our vocabulary one more time. Cup, sun, fun, fun, bus, luck, duck, mud, cut, up. Excellent! You're doing great! You are on your way to being a native speaker. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Also, check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description, along with the lesson notes for this video. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time. Peace.